This is TDC. Here we got a 2013 VW Bettle. Customer wants the fuel filter change, and it has a 2.5 liter in it. So you're gonna need them pliers, Phillips screwdriver, a straight head screwdriver, and brand new fuel filter. Okay, let's get at it. Here we go. Up underneath here, here's the filter. It's the fuel filter. Up underneath on the rear passenger side. As you can see, that's the out right there. It says out. So, and then you have your two lines, connectors over here on this side. See if I can get a good close up so you can see. Two connections right there. So what you're gonna do is, you have a Phillips screw head right there. So you're gonna have to get a Phillips screwdriver and unscrew that. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to get this out the way. So just hook this. It's a little hook like that, so that can kind of be kind of freely. And if you want to, you can just take this hook out like this. Come out like that. Just stay out your way. Then I'm gonna take the Phillips screwdriver and screw here. I'll screw this screw out here. Okay, they're gonna screw this one screw. Now it's freely. It's free like that. Now I'm gonna see if I can disconnect these lines. This blue in here, and if there's like light blue, as you can see, I'm gonna disconnect that. So what you do is you push in. You just push in on here, and it should come loose. Now you could do either way. I could have left this tighten up and disconnect the lines, or you can loosen this up and disconnect the line. You could do it either way. I just prefer to loosen this up and disconnect the lines, like that with this loose. So just bear with me here. Disconnect this one first. What you're doing is just pushing in on the blue part. You might can do it with your finger. If not, I just take a screwdriver and just push in on it. It should come loose. Now, there you go. It's loose. Now that's one now off. See, it's loose there. Now you got the next one right beside it, right there. So on this one, I'm gonna do the same thing. Push in, and it should come loose. Let's see it. Just push in and pull out on the line. See, there you go. See, there you go. It's gonna get a little wet because it's fuel, still got fuel in the lines. So it's gonna be a little wet. Just push them to the side. Now, I'm gonna take this on down because I got this side disconnected. You're gonna have a little fuse now. Can't get away from that. See? Okay, now this one, it got a push button on it. See the push button? Let's see. Got a little push button. Just push down on the button, and this the outside, and it should come off. I'm gonna push down on this button. It's tight. Let's see here. It was tight. Man. Let me see here. There you go. Got it. Okay, that's it. See? Now you got it off. It's the old one. Put it down. Because I got fuel everywhere. Now I'm going to grab the new one. Give me a minute. Okay. I'm back with the new one. As you can see. Brand new. So I'll go ahead and take the tubes off on this end. Because I'm going to put this end back in first. Okay. Just reverse, you know, everything just back reverse. This goes back in this little slot right there. That's the position it goes in, right there. Then, go ahead and put your connectors back on. That's one. Here's snap. And put the black one on. That's two. That's it. Now, I'm gonna put the screw back in there. The screw that I took out earlier, the Phillips. Put it back in there. As you can see, stick it right back where it goes. Screw it back in. That's it. See, it's in there. See, blue back on, and the black is back on there tight. Now, this end. This end here. Take the cap off, green cap off. Cap off. Now just stick the black one back on this end. Just the way it came off. Here, snap. There you go. It's back on there. That's it. Just like that, people. Now, as you can see, just like it was. See, now, the two on there. Now, when you get ready to, before you crank up the car, cut the button on and push the button on and off as if you're going to crank the car up. But don't crank it up. Don't put your foot on the brake. Just push the button 2 or 3 times so it can get primed up. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and give me some like buttons. Thank you. TDC 2013 Volkswagen Beetle 2.5 liter. Thank you.